In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Elevenlabs sound effects to create free audio effects for your videos. This 2025 tutorial will guide you through the easy steps to harness the power of Elevenlabs tools to enhance your video content. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting, this process is straightforward, and by the end of our session, you'll be equipped with the skills to create unique audio enhancements quickly and effortlessly. First, you'll need to open up your web browser and head over to Elevenlabs' main site, which offers a free text-to-speech and AI voice generator. This platform is an excellent resource for creating engaging audio content, and its user-friendly interface makes it perfect for beginners. Once you're on the website, the next step you'll take is to sign in. You'll find the Sign In button prominently displayed on the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your login details, or if you're new to Elevenlabs, you can quickly create an account. After successfully signing in, you'll arrive at the Elevenlabs home. The home page serves as your command center, offering various options and features to explore. From here, direct your attention to the playground section. This is where the magic happens, providing you with a versatile environment to experiment and innovate with audio effects. Once you're in the playground, locate the sound effects option. This section houses a variety of preloaded audio effects that you can use to modify, enhance, or completely transform your audio tracks. It's a part of Elevenlabs' robust suite of tools designed to give you creative freedom in your audio projects. Selecting this will give you access to all the audio profiles and settings available to craft your sound just the way you envision it. At this point, you'll want to explore the different sound effects at your disposal. Each effect is crafted to offer a unique auditory experience, allowing you to bring a professional touch to your video productions without needing extensive audio editing skills. Test out various effects and don't hesitate to combine them to create something truly distinctive. As you experiment, you'll find that certain effects might resonate more with the mood and theme of your video, giving it an extra layer of depth and engagement. Remember, the key to mastering these tools is practice. Spend some time understanding how different effects alter your audio and consider the impact they have on your storytelling. By integrating these sound effects thoughtfully, you can significantly enhance the viewer's experience, making your video content both memorable and impactful. That concludes our tutorial for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful in creating engaging audio effects for your videos.